one done, qualified P5 in our class, and that was quite cool. It was not cool actually, but I mean, I qualified P5 and I started on the grid P5. So I had to essentially work my way, and luckily just on the first corner I took the Yaris, and on the second corner I took another Yaris, and then it was just me and Hannes really trying to battle it out. And in the last lap, Hannes then went off, and I was right on his heels, which meant I could take then P4. So looking forward to race 2. I'm unfortunately still starting in P5, but I mean, I think it's going to be quite interesting. I just need to be on the pace. The Yaris are really, really quick, so I need to be right there between the bumper, especially as we cross the line to start. But I'm really looking forward to it. I'm excited, and I think that race 2 should be amazing. I'm pumped, I'm feeling pumped, and hopefully we can get a P4 or even P3 again. So yeah. Race 2 all done. It's actually quite sad. Race weekend over just like that, because you look forward to race week all the time. But I mean, started P5 for race 2, ended P5. There was a lot of jostling going on between myself and the Yarises, and I mean, I lost gears at one stage and missed shifting. But a good weekend overall. So P4 overall, so that is quite cool. I mean, it's sad there's no podium this time around, and this is my home track, whereas Kailami was a completely different track and I got podium there. But I mean, that's race weekend. The car was perfect though. I mean, I just kept losing my all-wheel drive system, but the car was perfect. And the next challenge now is Aldo Scribante, an all-new track for me. But I mean, Yeah, sad but not so sad. I enjoyed the jostling there. A lot of understeer. Please add that in the film.
Someone's off. Someone ready wide and onto the next